So in a given problem is asking which plant can never be 100% load factor. So 100% load factor means it is giving 100% of generation throughout the day or throughout the year. For example, if I consider throughout the day, I can say that the plant is having 100% load factor if the generator runs at 100% generation throughout the day. For example, nuclear plant, this nuclear plants we can call this as also base load plant. The reason is you cannot increase the generation or you cannot decrease the generation. These nuclear plants are always generating 100% of its generation throughout the day or throughout the month or throughout the year. So that means since they are running throughout the day, it is having 100% load factor. And similarly, hydro plant also, if I run this plant throughout the day, then I can get 100%, right? And peak load plant, so peak load plant means the definition is which generates only during peak load time. So what does it mean? Only peak load time means this is not generating throughout the day, So when it is not generating throughout the day, its load factor will never be equal to 100%. So this is the right answer. Similarly, if you consider base load, so base load plant means the same thing. The plant which will generate 100% of generation throughout the day, we can call it as a base load plant, like thermal plants. Here hydroelectric plant, we can call this as, generally we used to call this as a peak load plant because we used to connect these hydro machines during the peak load plant. But in particular, if you mention peak load plant, the answer is option C. If this is not there, then I can say that it is a hydroelectric plant, because if I run this hydroelectric plant throughout the day, I can attain 100% load factor. But if I say peak load plant, that means I am not running the plant throughout the day. I am running the plant only during the peak load times. That's why I am calling this as a peak load plant. So when it is running only during the peak load time, what does it mean? It means it is not running throughout the day. So when it is not running throughout the day, its load factor will never be 100%. Only just to reach that peak demand only, these types of plants will be connected to the grid. So the answer is peak load plant.